This is the 2019 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Really a classic lines on this boat with the white and black ivory interior. The boat's 28.5 feet long, 9 feet wide. Handles the rough water really well. Really soft ride. Really soft re-entry point into the water when you're out running. Come on in. We'll take a look at the boat here. You can kind of get an idea. Just really nice cockpit design. You've got full wraparound seating. The boat does have a almost full beam underwater swim step. It's all hydraulic, and you do have a ladder there as well. Nice sunpad access here. The middle seats flip up too, so if you want to sit with your feet down on the water. If you walk in, you'll see you've got a shower in the back, insulated cooler when you walk through. And as you come in, you've got full wraparound seating in here. There's a little step here too, so if you have a taller dock. This is a pretty innovative idea. This boat has kind of a soft slash hard top. The top actually articulates as it comes down, so the top stays level. You don't have to collapse the bimini or anything to use that. Up front, again, you have the dual Simrad 9-inch screens. That'll give you all your gauge clusters in there. You can operate a lot of systems in the boat. Full GPS. I'll give you 1-foot contours, all the buoys, everything on the lake. Fly-by-wire shifting. You get a double-wide helm seat, and then a swivel chair over here. The boat does have vacuum flush toilet too, so porcelain head with a separate holding tank, charcoal filter. And then in the bow here, really nice wide open bow, flip down armrest, windlass anchor, so all the push button operation from the helm to that. You got a wash down up front too. Boat's on Lake Minnetonka, MarineMax Excelsior. Come check us out.